I think I got recognized as an artist rather than deciding to be an artist. I'm obsessed with travel. When I'm on the move, I'm inspired to create, and new ideas excite me. I've recently been commissioned to create a work of art to celebrate Intercontinental Hotel and Resort's 200th opening. I was most struck by Intercontinental's founder, One Trip. More than 70 years ago, he had this dream to bring the world closer together. The ambition and scale of his vision was pretty incredible. Each destination has its own culture and history, influencing my use of color and inspiring my creative response to this project. When I first started painting champagne bottles, I just wanted to create something which made people feel positive. I guess if it wasn't for champagne, I wouldn't have the career I have in art. Champagne for me means happiness, joy, bringing people together, and of course, celebration. Obviously with my work, there's a lot of energy. I like to splat the paint. I like to throw it on. I don't want to control it too much and force it. I want to make sure that people can see the energy that's used in putting that color there. This is the biggest project I've undertaken in my 10-year career. To bring 200 destinations together in one piece, fusing people, art, and travel. If One Trip were alive, I think he'd be chuffed how far Intercontinental has come. And I hope he'd be impressed with the work that I've done. The journey continues. Let's keep celebrating.